Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Rocket League stuck on press any button to start screen. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, basic fixes right here. You're going to find Rocket League on your library. Okay, Rocket League. And then here, just click on three dots. Now, got to click on Manage. Now, got to click on Verify right here. Okay, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, got to check if it helps. If not, click on three dots once more, Manage again. Now click on Browse right here. Okay. Now, if you have a cache folder, so just right click on it and hit on Delete. Again, the cache folder. And once that's deleted, close Epic Games. And once that's done, go ahead and close it down right here in the system tray as well. Exit. Now relaunch Epic Games and launch Rocket League and check if it helps. If that doesn't work as well the problem is not within your computer or not you. Okay, it usually happens when there's downtime under the Rocket League's servers. Okay, you're gonna want to open up your browser and check it out. So Rocket League status. Okay, hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on the ones from Epic Games right here. Go ahead and click on server status. Okay. You'll be able to see everything right here is operational or under maintenance. Okay. For example, Rocket League right here says under maintenance. Well, just go ahead and wait it out until it's operational. And once it's operational, well, you can now go ahead and play Rocket League. All right. And if it says operational right here and you still can't play it, well, you have the contact us button right here. Just click on it, log in with your account and chat with Epic Games Support. Okay. And that is how you fix Rocket League stuck on press any button to start screen. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.